I feel like everybody is going to make mistakes, right? It's not like, and they have over the years. It's just that now with social media, everything has become so current and so quick come out that people know of people's mistakes much faster than they did about 15 years ago. Save more. And save younger, start saving much earlier in life, and definitely save more. Yeah, that's I think the big for me, which I always say. I think because it's only going to help you, and I feel like it's something that a lot of us don't give a lot of importance to. Because it takes two hands to clap. It's never a one-sided conversation, and you can't just, in any relationship, whether it's a father daughter, whether it's siblings, whether it's two partners, it can't be one-sided, right? Your opinions, your thoughts, your ideologies need to change collectively. Otherwise, it's kind of pointless if you sit and say all the women have changed, but all the men are still like not willing to change. Society at large needs to change. So I think for us to change these notions and change years and years and years of stereotypes and thoughts, everybody needs to work collectively, which is why obviously we need to have conversations with each other to help that. Oh, well, unfortunately, I'm guilty of not reading a lot over the last. I've completely gotten into K-drama, which has taken over my life. So yeah, there are no books on my bedside currently. There's only an iPad with a lot of K-dramas. I don't believe in cancel culture, which is something I see a lot now, and I just feel like it takes out the human from angle from everything, and we're not robots. Everybody is a human being at the end of the day, whether they are whatever the biggest celebrity in your eyes, or whether they are just someone you see in your neighborhood. Everybody is human at the end of the day, and I feel like everybody is going to make mistakes, right? It's not like, and they have over the years. It's just that now with social media, everything has become so current and so quick come out that people know of people's mistakes much faster than they did about 15 years ago. And I just feel like we are more aware, we are more vocal about what we want in people we look up to. So for example, if you feel like someone you admire is doing a fairness cream campaign and that offends you, obviously people would be vocal about that, which people wouldn't have been about 20 years ago because there wasn't a forum or a platform for them to voice that opinion. Which is why I feel like instead of canceling people, I think it's important to understand where they're coming from or what their thought process was from. They're human. Sometimes they just make mistakes, and it's okay to say that, okay, this person realized that they were wrong, and it's fine. We all make mistakes. It's just that I think when you're obviously a public person on a public platform with a lot of people looking at you constantly, you do have to kind of somehow explain yourself, if not apologize at least, I think, to people or to your audience, to help them understand why you did something that was wrong if you did it. Because I think it's really important to at least acknowledge people's feelings and say that, listen, this is what my thought process was. I really didn't think of it like this, and it maybe turned into something else. Or a lot of things I feel like now are coming out from like 15 years ago or 20 years ago also, which is really sad, because people have to actually pay for things that have happened ages ago, and now it's like, oh, and I'm like, it's done. They probably apologized to the guy, it's over. It's like, why do this now to this person and cancel this person for something that's happened ages ago? So I think this whole cancel culture is a really terrible thing, and it's really scary, I think, for most people, which is why they feel like, imagine like when you've worked on a platform or worked in a career for years on end, one mistake is kind of going to put an end to that. is obviously really scary for people, which is why I think a lot of people are being less and less vocal, and just kind of like, sitting on the sidelines because they're scared of what people are going to say or think. And that's really sad, because I feel like we should be able to communicate freely. We should be able to share our thoughts without being afraid of constantly being, like judged or cancelled. And I think it should be okay for people to make mistakes as long as they acknowledge those mistakes, and know what they did wrong, and moving forward plan not to do those things. I think that's what's more important than just saying, oh, this person made a mistake, let's cancel them and let's delete them from our lives, and let's, like, I just feel like that that whole vicious culture needs to end.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.